black lemonade. It's amazing. It's in my new cookbook. It's something different. It's a bit of fun. Add some vodka in it if you want, or some gin. You know, it's what people do, right? Whatever you want to do. The whole cookbook is designed with your health in mind. And it's to give you drinks that mimic the other drinks that are full of shit. And I mean that. Shitty sugar, shitty fats, shitty salts, shitty. I'm here to bring some gloriousness to your world when it comes to incredible drinks like this one, black lemonade. Simple. Get yourself a pitcher or a jug, lemon juice, and you're making a wee little syrup, little sweet situation, and you're going to need some maple. And this is our delicious syrupy part of this drink. It's so easy. And we need a pinch of salt, just a wee pinch, and then we need our charcoal. And I have some beautiful activated charcoal here. Straight into here. And just give that a nice stir. Just think about it, you know, it's Sunday, you got some friends over, hey, and you want to sit on the balcony, have one of my little nourishing little condiments like my bean dip with some crackers, knowing that this is a bit of fun that's going to serve your ultimate health. So this is what you do. Put a little bit of the syrup in there and a little bit in here. And then some ice. And then some sparkling glory. And you have yourself the most delicious, very different lemonade than you've ever had on the planet. Tastes amazing, let's be honest. I mean, who doesn't like a little bit of maple syrup? Oh, yum, that's delicious. Cheers. Add vodka in it or gin. Every recipe in the book has a story, and it has a way to celebrate nature in such a beautiful, basic way. And this is one of the drinks. So I'm going to have both of them actually. These are mine. If you're into lemonade, this is a great alternative. Great little party situation. Imagine these all lined up on the table. You know, and you've got people over. Something different. And no teeth aren't black, are they? Click the link below. Get my book. Cheers.